So I spent some time using a few of the best stand mixers in 2026, and I'll be honest, they all look kind of similar at first, but once you actually start using them, the differences become really obvious. Some are built for heavy dough and serious baking, some are perfect for everyday kitchen use, and some are just more convenient depending on your space. So instead of just looking at specs, I focused on real usage, things like mixing consistency, noise, ease of use, and how it handles different types of recipes. Because at the end of the day, the best mixer is the one you actually enjoy using. The KitchenAid 7-quart stand mixer feels like a serious machine the moment you start using it. It's built for heavy-duty tasks, and you can feel that in how stable and powerful it is. When I used it for thicker doughs like bread or pizza, it handled everything without struggling, and the mixing felt consistent throughout. The larger bowl is a big advantage, especially if you're preparing bigger batches, which makes it great for families or frequent baking. It's definitely heavier than smaller models, but that also adds to its stability. It doesn't move around even during tougher mixing tasks. The controls are simple and easy to adjust, so you don't have to think too much while using it. This is the kind of mixer you'd go for if you bake regularly and need something that can handle more demanding recipes without slowing down. The KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart feels like the perfect everyday stand mixer. It's not too big, not too small, and it fits into most kitchens without feeling bulky. When I used it, I noticed how balanced it feels. It handles everything from cake batter to cookie dough really well without feeling overpowered. The mixing action is smooth, and ingredients get combined evenly without needing constant adjustments. It's also easier to move around compared to larger models, which makes it more practical for daily use. The design is also something people tend to like. It looks good on the counter and doesn't feel like an industrial machine. This is the kind of mixer you'd choose if you want something reliable for regular baking without going into heavy-duty territory. The Artisan Mini feels like a compact version of the classic KitchenAid experience. The first thing I noticed is how much easier it is to handle. It's lighter, takes up less space, and is easier to store when not in use. Despite the smaller size, it still delivers good performance for lighter tasks like mixing batter, whipping cream, or making small batches of dough. It's not designed for heavy-duty use, but for everyday recipes, it works well. What I liked most is how practical it is for smaller kitchens or occasional baking. It gives you the benefits of a stand mixer without the bulk of larger models. This is a great option if you don't bake large quantities and want something more space-friendly. The Ankarsrum at Original feels completely different from traditional stand mixers, and it takes a bit of time to get used to. Instead of the usual design, it uses a rotating bowl, which changes how ingredients are mixed. And when I used it, I noticed how effective it is for kneading dough, especially larger or heavier batches. It feels like it's built for serious baking, particularly bread. The motor is strong and it handles tough mixtures without struggling. It's not as intuitive as KitchenAid models at first, but once you understand how it works, it becomes very efficient. This is the kind of mixer you'd go for if you bake often and want something powerful and slightly different from the usual designs. The KitchenAid Pro 600 series sits somewhere between the Artisan and the larger 7-quart models. It feels more powerful than the Artisan, but still manageable for everyday use. When I used it, I noticed how well it handles thicker mixtures compared to smaller mixers, making it more versatile. The bowl lift design adds stability, especially during heavier mixing tasks, and it feels solid overall. It's not as compact as the Artisan, but it offers more power, which makes it a good middle ground option. This is the kind of mixer you'd choose if you want something stronger than a standard model, but don't need the full capacity of a heavy-duty machine. After using all of these, it really depends on how you use your mixer. If you need something powerful for heavy baking, the KitchenAid 7 or Pro 600 are great choices. If you want something balanced for everyday use, the Artisan 5 works really well. For smaller kitchens, the Artisan Mini makes sense. And if you want something different and powerful for serious baking, the Ankarsrum stands out. At the end of the day, the best stand mixer is the one that fits your cooking style and makes the process easier.